At VEX, our goal has always been to challenge and inspire students through STEM and their competitive spirit. Now, VEX Robotics is taking world-class education and worldwide competition to new heights. Introducing VEX Air, the next level in career and technical education that combines piloting, programming, and the thrill of competition all inside of our very first drone, the VEX Air Hornet. The Hornet includes 3 interchangeable mission modules for game object manipulation: motorized, passive, and magnetic. The motorized module can be activated to open or close its hook for better control and mid-air dispatch. The passive module's hook hangs freely from the drone to lift objects and deliver them to drop-off points. The magnetic module can pick up specific game objects and release them with the touch of a button. All modules can be quickly hot-swapped to give you a competitive edge. The Hornet is also fully programmable using VEX Code blocks, Switch, Python, and Microsoft's Visual Studio Code. The Hornet features 2 onboard cameras, one forward-facing for first-person flight view and obstacle avoidance, and one downward-facing camera for object detection and pinpoint landings. Both cameras are capable of long-range April tag detection, providing you with accurate identification of key locations, such as supply depots, drop-off zones, and landing sites. Both camera feeds can be viewed on our 5-inch color touchscreen, built right into the dual-stick controller, allowing you to view, process, and act on real-time camera information. The controller can display live camera views for first-person flying, landing, and alignment, as well as telemetry data and system sounds. Pilots can also communicate with one another using the included headset and built-in Wi-Fi. The drone, controller, and accessories all fit inside of our custom padded carrying case, so you can safely transport everything between matches or store them in your classroom. VEX Air delivers professional-grade drone technology without the need for an FAA license or drone registration. The Hornet is tailored specifically for educational environments and designed to provide hands-on training for the careers of tomorrow. To learn more, visit air.vex.com. Take the competition to new heights with VEX Air.